What up, YouTube? The Gangster Lifestyle Experience. We back at it again. Today is Friday, June 21st. Want to show y'all how the bike came out. New decals. You know what I'm saying? It's a sexy beast right here. She is sexy. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot of traffic coming down this block. I should have did this video over by my garage, but we here. You know what I'm saying? We about to ride out to Virginia. I'm out here with Staten Island's premier black bike club, Shaolin Riders. This is their clubhouse. And we out here, we waiting for the rest of the crew to come, and then we're gonna ride out around 9:30. Right? Be in Virginia for a whole weekend. Enjoying the festivities. You know what I'm saying? Just showing y'all how the bike came out. You know, and it's super clean. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Here go my big head cousin right here.
What up, what up?
The guys counter us, they be like, oh, I'll give you
show y'all his challenger. Oh, I actually lost 4 subscribers. We lost 4 subscribers. They was probably Harley riders. You know, listen, hey, I ain't got nothing against Harley. I just feel we got a better product. I just feel Indian Motorcycles is a better product. I ain't got nothing against Harley. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you see what we got going on over here. Yeah, here go Harley right here. He look nice. But we about to put pressure on him. He shares the space in our garage, right? But we about to put pressure on him because as soon as we finish fixing up the garage, we're gonna paint Indian Motorcycles on the door. So he gonna feel out of place with that Harley sitting in there. But he looking real clean. But yeah, we out here riding out. When I come back, I'll be coming back from down in Virginia. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, yo. We bigging the channel up. I'm about to get new camera equipment because this is what I do now. This is the retired life. So now I got time to do whatever I want to do. And this is how I'm moving. Gangster Lifestyle Experience. I'm out. I'll be back later on. What up, YouTube? I had to come back real quick to show y'all a lineup. We about to roll out, so I'm gonna make this video real quick. My man P-Funk, Indian Springfield. Another Indian challenger. Another challenger, my man Rude Boy. This challenger, the burgundy one, that's Rude Boy's wife.
You better take a pee-pee, you better go down.
You know what I'm saying? We got a Harley here. Got that sexy beast challenger right there. The cousin challenger.
I'll give you $1 right now.
Are these gloves in the clubhouse?
Somebody pulled a Suzuki out here. This is my girl, Miss Jones. She do the Harley Davidson. Like I said, I ain't got no hatred for Harley Davidson.
I love Indians. I love them both.
See, there you go. She not biased. But guess what? Indian, we running this run. Oh, hold on. We got the president. We got the president of Shaolin Riders right here.
That's right.
Mr. Wiz Jefferson. What you want to say to the people? You want to Gangster Lifestyle Experience?
I got an Indian rash. That's right. I'm starting to itch right now.
I feel like custard with all these Indians here.
Hey, y'all.
No.
But check this out.
Let's see that. Let's go.
Wiz getting ready to get a new bike, and we gonna get him on an Indian. But yo, we getting ready to pull out. I just wanted to come back real quick, show y'all the lineup. Indian Motorcycles, we running this ride. Peace, I'll be back later. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. You with the Gangster Lifestyle Experience. And we out here in Woodbridge, Virginia. for a motorcycle club called State Burners, their annual event. Just gonna walk around, show y'all what's going on out here. Steel Horses Motorcycle Club, Brooklyn, New York. Steel Horses, Brooklyn, New York. All right.
In the house, baby. In the
All
house.
right.
What's up, son? How many subscribers you got? He want to know.
This is my cousin and my nephew.
He want to know how many subscribers you got.
300. So subscribe. Let's get it up to 500. This is the crew that put this event together. State Burners, Woodbridge, VA.
All right, bro.
All right, all right.
What up, champ?
Yep. You should have known that.
Huh?
You should have known that. What you should be doing is Googling Waffle House.
You didn't say it. What up, what up?
Well, all right, all right, all right.
Fort Green's in the house.
Fort Greene? That's what he said, Fort Greene? What'd he say? Okay. Charlotte Rider, Staten Island, New York. Yeah. It was a rough run on the motorcycle. Hot. 97 degrees out here. Had to take a shower, take a nap, and re-energize. But we out here, and I'm gonna come back and show more later. Peace out for now. What's up, YouTube? Gangster Lifestyle Experience, still down here in Virginia. I'm in Dulles, Indian of Dulles, in Virginia. Had to bring my bike in real quick and get the clutch adjusted. Just doing a walkthrough. Indian Motorcycles of Dallas, Virginia. Yeah, I was experiencing a little delay in my clutch engagement, so just wanted to come in, bring it in, have Indian adjust that for me, and now we good again, ready to hit the road again. But we still gonna enjoy the festivities that's going on down here. It's a nice dealership. Nice dealership. You know, they took care of me real quick. They got me in and got the bike running right again. He checked all 6 gears, and now it's running good. Nice Indian dealership over here. This is the gentleman that took care of me. What's your name again?
What's up, Brian?
Brian.
Yeah.
Okay. This is Brian. This is Indian of Dulles.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay, and we're gonna take care of this business real quick, and I'll be back from the event that we at. Show y'all a little bit more footage of what's going on out there. We partying out here. All right. Talk to y'all later.